Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Road to Centurions, how to purchase recruitment pack of to be Centurions chapter in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap the Centurions event. And jump into the to be Centurions. This is the new chapter of this Centurions event. So in these to be Centurions, all you have to do is just play these skill games and also match games, so you can get a recruitment progress. After you get a 100 progress, you can claim these recruitment points, 100 recruitment points, and rewards will double on weekends. And after you claim it, you can purchase this is the Road Centurions. Use your recruitment points to assemble your team and become Centurions. So possible rewards: one mixed version player, a OVR between 80 and 87, and also a gem between 20 and 200, coins between 20,000 and 200,000, untradable rank up player, and also some players. Let's tap this recruitment points to purchase this pack. Tap to open. We got only 20 points, 20 gems for now, so try your luck. And of course, if you purchase 2 times, you can get this guarantee reward, 40 mixed version defender, and so on. So challenge yourself in this to be Centurions chapter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.